Hello, everyone, English learners. Welcome to English Basics Every Day. You can use this video to practice and improve your English skills. Today, I want to talk about how to sleep well. Sleeping well is very important for our health and our mind. When we sleep well, we feel happy, strong, and ready for a new day. But sometimes, people cannot sleep well. They feel tired, worried, or stay awake too late. Sleep helps our body and brain rest. When we sleep, our body repairs itself and gives us energy for the next day. If we don't sleep enough, we can feel angry, sad, or lazy. We can't think clearly or work well. For adults, sleeping 7 to 8 hours every night is good. Children need more, maybe 9 or 10 hours. So, sleep is very important for everyone, children, adults, and even old people. One easy way to sleep well is to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. When you sleep at the same time, your body learns when it is time to rest. Try to go to bed before 11 p.m. and wake up around 6 or 7 a.m. Don't go to bed too late because it can make you feel tired the next morning. Also, avoid sleeping too much in the afternoon because it can make it hard to fall asleep at night. A quiet and clean bedroom helps you sleep better. Turn off loud sounds like TV or music before sleeping. Make your bed soft and clean. You can use a light blanket if the weather is cool, or a fan if it's hot. Try to keep the room dark, because light can make it hard to sleep. Some people like to use soft music or the sound of the rain to relax. Many people look at their phone or watch videos before sleeping. This is not good for our eyes or our brain. The light from the phone can make our brain think it is still daytime, and we cannot sleep. Try to stop using your phone, computer, or TV at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead, you can read a book, listen to calm music, or think about something nice. What we eat and drink can also affect our sleep. Don't eat too much before sleeping because your stomach will work hard and you may feel uncomfortable. Also, don't drink coffee, tea, or soda in the evening. These drinks have caffeine, which can keep you awake. Exercise helps your body feel tired in a good way. So you can sleep better at night. You can run, walk, play volleyball, or ride a bike. But don't do heavy exercise too late at night, because your body will be too active to rest. The best time for exercise is in the morning or in the afternoon. Sometimes people cannot sleep because they worry too much. If you feel worried, try to relax before bed. Take a deep breath, smile, and think about something good that happened in your day. You can also write down your thoughts in a notebook to clear your mind. When you relax, your body and mind will feel calm, and you can fall asleep easily. A bedtime routine means doing the same relaxing things before you go to sleep. For example, you can brush your teeth, wash your face, read a few pages of a book, and turn off the lights. Doing this every night helps your body understand that it's time to rest. Sometimes you cannot sleep even when you try everything. That's okay. Don't worry too much, because worry makes it harder to sleep. Just close your eyes, breathe slowly, and relax. You can think about something beautiful, like the beach or a peaceful garden. Soon you will fall asleep without even noticing. Okay. If you want to watch the next video, please subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications early. Leave a comment and tell me, do you sleep well every night? Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.